In a world of ever-increasing international competition, higher norms and standards, finding, hiring and keeping highly educated personnel, and constructing switch cabinets faster and with a shorter turnaround are several of the greatest challenges facing board manufacturers. Being able to move faster and more efficiently puts greater demands on harmonizing the work of the different phases of the product development process involved. In particular, the sales, design, the preparation, realization and testing phase. Implementing a common digital platform is essential for success. Every panel builder will benefit from implementing an engineering process, regardless of whether manufacturing distribution or control cabinets, or implementing a serial or a project-based production, making own designs or using drawings provided by the customer, or constructing high, medium or low voltage cabinets. The way you set up your digital engineering platform and how you connect into your ERP system strongly influences the extent to which you can optimize product development and the production process. An increase in efficiency can already be obtained during the assignment phase. Whether the assignment is an order in which you are responsible for the design yourself, or the necessary product design and information is supplied to you by your customer, or the order is created by an order configurator, it's always important that this information is compatible with your digital process. Co-engineering with your client will also benefit from implementing this standards-compliant digital process into your engineering platform. In the same way, if you receive an order that you design yourself, a well-thought-through digital computer-aided engineering system effectively creates a direct link between technology and logistics, constructing intelligent blocks on the fly that automatically recognize and link up individual and up-to-date components. Of course, consistency is crucial, being ensured by a properly filled and maintained database of components. On top of that, using integrated configurator tools supported by the component vendor's know-how will ensure that you can only choose the correct components while designing and dimensioning your cabinet. This is a crucial step towards standardization, allowing you, your client, and your subcontractors to synchronize logistics and design processes in real time. Taking your time during the preparation phase is important to preserve accuracy throughout. Any mistake here is multiplied by a factor 10 in magnitude in a later phase. The CAE platform is able to generate all necessary logistics information and construction documentation, getting everything in the correct form to the right place, guaranteeing an error-free design. On top of that, switching from a 2D to a 3D mechanical construction design, although it seems a nice to have, is actually a need to have for achieving a better integration between design and construction. With the ability to generate different views on the fly, the 3D environment can easily adapt the design to any modifications that happen along the way and provide an extra layer of collision control. Another 3D benefit is the auto-routing, as you now also get the optimal routing paths and exact calculations of the wire lengths, filling degrees of the cable ducts, and a clear three-dimensional picture of how the wires should run within the cabinet. As you now have a flawless 3D cabinet design with all necessary documentation and information embedded, it becomes possible to digitally transmit any information, to perfectly interface with and control your machines in the realization phase. All necessary information is transferred from the engineering system to the controlling CNC machines, allowing them to carry out complicated drilling, milling, punching and threaded hole operations. The proper bending and assembly of bus bars can be achieved as well, by transmitting precise bending angles for copper bars and their correct placement in the cabinet. Automatic labeling ensures that information, terminal numbers and component device tags can be transferred correctly and digitally from the engineering system. As the routing has already been done digitally in 3D, the exported information already contains wire color, end ferrule, length, diameter and wire numbering. Wiring can now be created fully automatically in a variety of ways. The cabinet is now ready for testing, commissioning and shipment. As you can see, your optimization potential lies everywhere. If you optimize in large or small steps, in the beginning stages or near the end, in whichever phase, your production process as a whole will always benefit. By linking the different phases, you'll be able to differentiate from your competitors. Standardization and optimization will substantially reduce your time to market, and at the same time, eliminate human error without sacrificing quality or continuity. Your engineering has become integrated and efficient, maximizing its potential to the fullest with always up-to-date components, designs and documentation, all synchronized across the board.